In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Wix domain with Namecheap hosting using cPanel. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. By the end, your domain from Wix will be properly added to your Namecheap hosting account and ready to be used for a website. Before we start, make sure you already have two things set up. First, you need a domain that you purchased or managed through Wix. Second, you'll need access to your Namecheap hosting account, specifically to the cPanel area. If you're not sure how to log into cPanel, you can usually do it from your Namecheap account dashboard under your hosting details, where you'll see a button or link to open cPanel. Once you're logged into cPanel, look for the section labeled Domains. cPanel layouts can vary slightly depending on the theme your hosting provider uses, but there will almost always be a section called Domains somewhere on the main page. Within that section, click on the option labeled Domains. This is where you manage all the domains that are connected to your hosting account. When the domains page opens, you'll see a list of any domains that are already connected, along with options to manage them. To add your Wix domain, you'll need to create a new domain entry, look for the button or link that says Create a New Domain, and click on that. This tells cPanel that you want to add another domain to your hosting environment. Next, you'll be asked to enter your domain name, type in the exact Wix domain you want to connect, including the full domain like yourdomain.com. Make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing parts such as the .com, .net, or whatever your extension is. The domain you type here should match the one you own or manage in Wix. And you'll also need to make sure that you've pointed its DNS or name servers to Namecheap for this connection to work properly, though that is handled separately from these cPanel steps. Below the domain name field, you'll see an option called Share Document Route. This setting controls whether your new domain uses the same website files as your primary domain or has its own separate folder and its own website. If you want this Wix domain to show a completely different website from your main domain, you'll want it to be separate. In that case, uncheck Share Document Route. And when this option is unchecked, cPanel will create a new document root folder for the domain, usually with a name based on the domain itself. And that's where you'll upload or install the website files that you want people to see when they visit this domain. If you were hoping to have multiple domains showing exactly the same site, you would leave the Share Document Route option checked. But in most cases, when you're connecting a new domain like one from Wix to Fresh Hosting, you'll want it to act as its own website. So unchecking it is usually the best choice. Once you've entered your Wix domain and adjusted the document root setting, go ahead and click Submit. cPanel will then create the new domain configuration on your hosting account. This may take a few moments. After it's done, your Wix domain will appear in the list of domains in cPanel, and you'll be able to manage it, set up SSL, and upload or install a website into its document root folder. That's all there is to it. You've now connected your Wix domain to your Namecheap hosting through cPanel, and you're ready to move on to building or migrating your site.